Hey, what's up everyone? Long time no see. So today, a lot of things have changed in the past year that I've been kind of not posting too many videos and stuff like that. I'm in a new house and just picked up this new car. So it's a 350Z. I'll probably do a full walk around soon here. But for now, just gonna be doing a few odds and ends. There's the springs on the trunk that don't fully pop the trunk, and so it only pops halfway, and then you gotta like lift it up manually and then click the trunk open thing again for it to fully open. And then also I'm gonna try and recharge my AC. The AC doesn't work on this, so I'm gonna put in some like UV leak stuff, recharge the AC, and then I can actually find the leak and figure out how to fix it. So let's get going. All right, so this is the problem. Push the button to open the trunk. Oh, well, it worked that time, but sometimes push it, it opens halfway, and then it gets stuck right here. So gonna need to fix the springs so that this will open. All right, so these are the little springs that you need to take off to fix. There's like springs in here, so you just twist it, pop it off, and then pull off this little plastic case here, and you can see the springs in there. So basically what we're gonna do is beef up this bottom part a little bit so that the springs have more tension and can pop up the trunk a little bit easier. So here it is off. So basically these are like little felt feet that go on chairs and things like that. I'm basically gonna stick these on the bottom here. You can see them, they're already applied, but I'm sticking them on the bottom here so that it gives it a little bit more just space at the bottom so that the spring will have more tension. Some people put like pennies and stuff in the bottom of this thing, but I've heard that can dent this piece. And so I figured using these little felt things will help so that it doesn't dent it. So let's stick this back on and see if it works. All right, got this puppy back on. Also did it to this side as well. So let's go ahead and close the trunk and see if it works. Worked once, worked twice. All right, looks like it's working. So now let's get on to the next task of recharging the AC. Alrighty, so we got this AC Pro stuff, and then we also have some UV liquid, and then a UV leak detector that we're gonna use. And basically I need to run the car, turn AC on max, and then see if my compressor will start going, my AC compressor. If it doesn't, the refrigerant's probably like super low. So I need to put in like half this thing to get the compressor to start turning on. And then there's like a little pressure gauge on the back here, and I basically just need to like get it into the filled pressure state. And then when I'm using that UV leak, if there leak detector stuff, if there is a leak, then I can shine the UV light on it and it will shine super bright. And then I can kind of see where the leak is. So let's go ahead and turn the car on, get the AC blasting, and then see if the compressor will start kicking in for the AC. Alrighty, so the AC compressor is right down there. It does not look like it's turning on. What I'm going to do is connect it to the low pressure line, which is right here, and then start trying to fill it up some and see what the pressure's at. Alrighty, so we got it connected. You basically change this little gauge thing to what temperature it's out at. It's like 80 degrees out right now. Got it connected, so let's go ahead and try and fill some up. So you hold this, kind of tilt it. Oh. Okay, so the compressor just turned on for AC. So I think there just wasn't enough refrigerant in there. So let's keep filling it up until it gets to the right place. All right, that's looking perfect. Go in and feel the AC and see if it's cold. All right, the AC is starting to get colder. This is all I need to do to fix it. That would be awesome. All right, so the AC is definitely getting colder. I think it still is just leaking out because the pressure is kind of like going back down constantly. So I'm gonna add in some of this leak stuff now, and then once we can kind of like figure out where it's leaking from here with the UV light. You can see it here. I just kept on dripping some into here, putting the AC Pro thing back on, filling it up a little bit so that it gets pushed into the system. Now that that's in there, I'm gonna let it go through the system so that it can we can figure out where it's leaking basically. What it looks like when it's shining bright, you can see
starts to glow. So I'm just gonna follow the lines and see if I can see where leak is happening.
Alright, I looked around, couldn't really see any leaks. The air was still blowing cold, so I'll get it like next week or two and see if the air stays cold. If it does, then like the leak might have fixed itself, or there wasn't that big of a leak. So, and then I need some time for the UV stuff to actually come out of the leak so I can identify it. So that's that with the AC. Alright, so the last thing I decided to do was do a quick oil change. Just got the car, don't know how many miles since the last oil change, so gonna get that done. Got all my tools here, oil and oil filter in the car. So let's jack this puppy up and drain the oil and get the new stuff put in. We got the car jacked up, so let's start draining the oil and getting the new stuff put in. Oil is drained, new filter's on. Now to just fill it up, 5 quarts of oil. So luckily the 350 takes exactly 5 quarts of oil, so you just gotta buy one thing. Yeah, car's been great so far. I'll have a walk around pretty soon. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.